I've been gone for too long, I don't know what to say. I've been hibernating, laying low and hidden away. I felt the world was closing in like I'm forbidden to stay. But the day has come for me to get this change. I raised up to my feet to get back to the blues. I come back to the bit to find the sad truth. It's been one day with you, I give up half my youth. 2 times, rest in peace, my hat's off to you. At last I'm through living this life I'm in, making bad decisions and screwing over my friends. I'm trying to make amends, but still I can't pretend like that shit didn't happen. It still fucks with my head. I'm standing 2 feet tall, still waiting to descend, even lower than low, but I know I'm better than this. I know what I did, I'm not defending my mess. I'm extending my hand because I'm full of regrets. Everywhere I go, I got these dark rain clouds tormenting my conscience, think I'm about to break down. It's hanging over my head, Lord, no I ain't proud, and it ain't gonna fade until I'm laying face down. Everywhere I go, I got these dark rain clouds tormenting my conscience, think I'm about to break down. It's hanging over my head, Lord, no I ain't proud, and it ain't gonna fade until I'm laying face down. I'm ready for the change, but the unknown is frightening. Who knows, tomorrow night I could get struck by lightning. I'm fighting to get my reputation back, I'm thriving for my chance to glide to that blinding light. We can't be good forever, it's time for new pathways. I'ma keep trying till I'm dying, till my last days. I'm in last place, feel like my heart's in an ashtray. My homies keep dying, I've been through some bad days. I'll meet you halfway, gotta get rid of all these rain clouds before that time comes when that Lord rains down upon all of my sins. Feel like I'm interstate bound on a long road to nowhere myself I'm gonna make proud. I hate how I was living, I'm admitting my wrongs. My palms are getting sweaty from me spitting this song. Sitting calm, moving on, my visions are strong, and now I'm pissing them off because my lyrics are bombs. Everywhere I go, I got these dark rain clouds tormenting my conscience, think I'm about to break down. It's hanging over my head, Lord, no I ain't proud, and it ain't gonna fade until I'm laying face down. Everywhere I go, I got these dark rain clouds tormenting my conscience, think I'm about to break down. It's hanging over my head, Lord, no I ain't proud, and it ain't gonna fade until I'm laying face down. From where I left off, I said my lyrics are bombs, and not long after the flood, now I'm missing my moms. I'm slowly drifting away like I'm a stick in a pond, trying to drown the fucking thought of me killing them off. Finish it off and live my life back in peace. I found the love of my life and now I'm back on my feet. But baby girl, give it time, maybe you'll tame a black sheep. Sooner or later the clouds will fade in the last week. Time to slow it down like I'm pouring a fourth. Shit, I try to stay strong like I'm not sore anymore. The rain has gotta stop, it can't pour anymore. I need to see the sun, I'm so morally poor. Everywhere I go, I got these dark rain clouds tormenting my conscience, think I'm about to break down. It's hanging over my head, Lord, no I ain't proud, and it ain't gonna fade until I'm laying face down. Everywhere I go, I got these dark rain clouds tormenting my conscience, think I'm about to break down. It's hanging over my head, Lord, no I ain't proud, and it ain't gonna fade until I'm laying face down.